Descriptive adjectives are a wonderful way to convey the qualities or characteristics of the things we write about. For example, Marie used the adjectives smooth, brown, and wooden to describe the duck her students gave to her. The more effective we are in using adjectives, the more vivid our writing can become. So I'd like to share with you a writer's secret about adjectives. Most people tend to use adjectives that connect to our sense of sight. The brown rock, the blue sky, the white clouds. For this reason, it can be particularly effective to use adjectives that connect with our other senses. For example, the rough shell of the sea urchin. Here, the adjective rough connects to our sense of touch. Another example. The pungent seaweed. Here the adjective pungent connects to our sense of smell. A third example. The quiet lapping of the water. Here, the adjective quiet connects to our sense of hearing. And last but not least, the salty water of the sea. Here, the adjective salty connects with our sense of taste. With all of that in mind, here's a creative writing activity that you can try. Think of a place you know well and try to describe it using adjectives that connect not only to our sense of sight, but also with our sense of touch, smell, hearing, and taste. And see if that makes your writing more vivid.